Alright, hey, this is Hans once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got another one from zenpop.jp. Go there and use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. Today it's one from Acecook, and this is a fancy one. This is Acecook Gamushara Seabura Shoga Shoyu. So Seabura is back fat. And here's the lid. And this is from a box that showcases, I believe the theme of this box is, what do you call it? Sumo. So there's different, what do they call them? They're like, they call them stables, where they keep the sumo wrestlers, and there's like different special stables of sumo wrestling. It's like, what are you doing? Oh, you know, I'm having a good day. I'm hanging out in the stable. Oh, yeah. So there's 3 sachets in here. 2 of them were inside the cup. And I'm going to put those in, because that seems the logical, like, what they're trying to tell you to do. I got no info on the prep of this one, but I'm guessing that's the deal. Even though this first one, oh, there's bits and pieces in this one. But yeah, back fat. So basically they take, oh, that's what that is. That's all gelatinous and goopy and funky. And then we got this one. What do we got here? Like little Christmas presents. Yeah. Looks like, no, this is the back fat. See this powdery stuff? Maybe? I don't know if you can see that, but it just basically looks like Parmesan cheese. Oh boy, that's been a, my wife has been just messing with me lately. So it drives me nuts, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely insane. So there is a dish called like veal parmesan. Okay. So there's veal parmesan. 3 minutes. So that's a thing, right? But there's no such thing as Parmesan cheese. You could put cheese on your veal parmesan, but it's Parmesan cheese. One is G-I-A-N at the end, the other one is S-A-N. And I know I get this kind of like anal retentive, obsessive compulsive thing about how to pronounce words and crap from my dad. He would charge me $5 if I said, oh, I'm really kind of bored of doing this. He'd be like, that'll be $5, sir. It's bored with. But now I'm an adult, and I can say bored of freely. But yeah. Yup. God, what was the other one? But they were talking about something in one of the descriptions of these this set of 3 Zenpop ones I've done over the last couple days and today. And it reminded me of a joke my dad used to tell, and it was, oh yeah, it was this one, because I mentioned in the post, it's like, oh, back fat, man, I wish I had a little bit less of that. I guess they could make ramen out of me. And then that reminded me of the joke, what happened when the meat grinder backed into the, what, I'm bad at telling jokes. What happened when the butcher backed into the meat grinder? He got a little behind in his orders. Boom, boom. So, there you go. Anyways, that was like his absolute favorite joke, and he told it ad nauseum. Oh my god. Giants are doing good. Oh, they didn't do so good yesterday. I think we lost to the Mets, but we've been doing pretty darn good. We've gotten some good players this year. Now, you're watching this in mid-July, right? So who knows if we're still doing good. I hope so. It's nice having baseball back, like fully back. That's groovy. But they're not, God, they just swept the home opener under the new name for it used to be the Cleveland Indians, now it's the Cleveland Guardians. They swept them, which is it's like, oh man, that's rough. There's nothing worse than opening day than the next 2 games getting swept. But that's kind of like the inauguration of their new name. I don't know why they picked the Guardians. That might have something to do with Cleveland, like Guardian of the Inland Empire or something like that. I could see that. But yeah, this is the last one today. It's 8:07. We're doing good on time. We're doing good on time, kids. Okay? Oh, that's just... I hear tablets, so I think all is well. Here's our liquid edition. And it's clear. It says Shoyu. Come on, I hope this one has... It seems like the last couple haven't had a lot of color to them. I like... Ah, there we go. So Shoyu means soy sauce. This should be like a really rich, flavorful soy sauce variety. So we stir it and we stir it. Wow. Definitely smelling ginger. I think they mentioned a lot of garlic and ginger in this one, but I'm definitely smelling the ginger. Ginger. I got word the other day, my old buddy, who really isn't my buddy anymore, but he ended up really into abandoned and decaying houses. And apparently he went into one and got in trouble. So, dude, don't go into abandoned houses. It's not a good idea. Somebody still owns that crap. Noodle. Oh, wow. Yeah. Let's get you a shot of this broth. There you go. Interesting. A lot of garlic going on. It's not bad. I don't know, it's like sometimes these ultra premium ones, or like the fancier they are, some of these just don't really seem like, really? That's all the hype? Is about that? There you go. What we got here? Minma. Oh, we got a little bit of pork. A scant amount of pork. Alright. Come on. I want to show off the broth, not obscure it. Okay, so let's do our chashu. I do have a recipe for chashu if you ever want to make it, and I highly recommend you do. It's really easy. It'll definitely stink up your house, but it's a pretty kind of stinks. And I like it. Wow, these eggs came out really, I guess we'll see. Third time is the charm. For a soft-boiled, I guess it could be softer. I like how the first two looked a little bit better. This will do in a pinch. Naruto. Place this lovingly right there. And I feel like a one-trick pony with this stuff because it's just like I don't know though. This is how I like to prepare ramen noodles. I've heard people multiple times refer to them as ramen noodles and not even bat an eye. If that's what they think they're called. Hey, how about trying some of this great ramen? Who? Raymond? I don't know Raymond. Okay. Yips. Knurps for moisture. Alright. Now a little shichimi. I think we're good. Now it's time to get the kids ready for school. Well, at least one of them. Only one kid for school today. Ha! All right, cool. Well, that's it for me from here and where I am. So enjoy your noodles each and every day. Now I'll crank out some more tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.